Hello, everybody. Welcome to your Talking Fitchburg headlines on this hot and steamy Friday, June 2nd, 2023. Jeremy Crosby here. Hope you're having a great day. Glad you're tuning with us for TF Update. It is going to be a warm one this weekend. And yeah, just take it easy as you go out this weekend, whatever you're doing. It's going to be a lot of fun stuff happening here in and around the city of Fitchburg, which we'll talk about coming up. But take plenty of water, plenty of breaks, and plenty of sunscreen because, yeah, sun is here and here to stay. We're turning our attention first to the headlines on High Ridge Trail shooting investigation update. Fitchburg Police Department reporting yesterday that Fitchburg made an initial appearance here. Hugger, 20, of Fitchburg made his initial appearance in Dane County Circuit Court on charges of attempted first-degree intentional homicide and a misdemeanor of bail jumping. Hugger was taken into custody by Fitchburg Police Department on May 30th from his involvement in a May 29th shooting in the High Ridge Trail area. Fitchburg detectives identified Hugger as one of the people responsible for shooting with a gun in the incident. A second man, Walker, of the last name 18 of Fitchburg, was taken into custody on May 3rd for his participation in the event. Walker made his initial appearance in court yesterday in charges of disorderly conduct and felony bail jumping. Investigators are still identifying people involved in this altercation, which escalated to gunfire, leaving 3 wounded on Memorial Day. Anyone with information is asked to contact the Fitchburg Police Department at 608-270-4300. Anonymous tips can be made by calling the Madison Area Crime Stoppers number at 608-266-6014 or by visiting p3tips.com. Tipsters may be eligible for cash reward for information that leads to an arrest. All right, with that hot weather, we've got the splash pad is open now in the city of Fitchburg. Splash pad opened up this past Tuesday, May 30th. Through the rest of the season, it'll be open 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. daily, and we hope you'll come out to McKee Farms Park. That's located at 2930 Chapel Valley Road here in Fitchburg. And yeah, when you got heat like this, splash pad sounds really good. Another thing that sounds really good, and right next to this weekend, is Festa Italia. It's back. It'll be happening this weekend, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Festa Italia, presented by the Italian Workmen's Club of Madison, is a celebration of Italian heritage with food, music, and family fun. Right at McKee Farms Park, Friday, June 2nd through Sunday, June 4th. Admission is just $6 per day. No pets allowed. On Saturday, June 3rd, between 5 and 10 p.m., the admission is $10. Children under 12 are free. There'll be a cash raffle. Tickets can be purchased on the fairgrounds. Parking is free, and there will be shuttle service from several areas that you can check out. Great lineup of music as well. And yes, the fun starting off tonight at 4:30 p.m. to 11 p.m., Saturday 11 a.m. to 11 p.m., and Sunday 11 to 7 p.m. Race for Grace is happening this weekend as well, right here in the city of Fitchburg. The Race for Grace is a 1-mile fun walk and timed 5K walk to benefit Agrace Care for All Fun. This is on Sunday, June 4th at 9 a.m. at Agrace here in Madison. Agrace says here, we believe everyone deserves access to compassionate and high-quality care regardless of who they are or whether they can pay. Through the Care for All program, Grace steps in to offer our patients help paying when they do not have enough insurance coverage for their care and have no other way to pay for service they need. Care for All is funded by community donations for people like you. This is happening again on Sunday, and you can still register at agrace.org/event/race-for-Agrace. And finally, a public meeting is scheduled for the Madison Beltline study. This is happening next week, and there is one listening session here in the city of Fitchburg. Wisconsin Department of Transportation will be hosting 2 public involvement meetings to discuss the Beltline planning and environmental linkage study. The meetings will provide updates on status of the ongoing study and gather input on draft strategy packages to address long-term safety, accessibility, operational, and infrastructure concerns for approximately 20 miles of U.S. Highway 12, 14, 18, 151. That's the Beltline as we know it, between Middleton and the town of Cottage Grove. Meetings will take place on Tuesday, June 6th at the Val Phillips Memorial High School. That's on South Gammon Road. And on Wednesday, June 7th, right here in Fitchburg at the Boys and Girls Club from 5 to 6:30 p.m. Have a great weekend, everybody.